Hi, my name is Jennifer Bradley, celebrity makeup artist, and I'm going to show you how to do beautiful Gothic makeup. I'm here at the Academy of Glam Studios in Cooper City, Florida. I'm with my gorgeous model, Taylor Torino. The tip with Gothic makeup is to start with really pale makeup. So we're going to take down what she has and make her look really pale and more Gothic. She needs to look as fair as possible in order to really achieve a true Gothic appearance. Gothic makeup is really fun. This could lead to a vampire look as well, but we're just going to make her look really pale, really even, and then emphasize the eyes after we make her pale. If you can't get your skin fair enough with just a powder, like foundation, we're going to get a shimmery shadow and apply it all over to make her look even more white. We're going to use a really shimmery shadow, such as this one, and apply it all over the face to make her look more pale. This one has a little hint of a shimmer to it, which is kind of fun, more costumey even. The next step we're going to do is use a black eyeliner to really emphasize her eyes. Using a black pencil, you can just apply this all over the bottom half of the lid, work it up. You don't have to be so necessarily clean with this, it can actually be messy. Look up. You see this pencil has a little bit of shimmer in it. Once you're finished with this eye, you're going to continue to look on the other side using a shimmery black. This is almost like a graphite pencil all across the bottom half of her eye to make for smoky Gothic eyes. I'm going to make a kind of unclean line under the eye. Gothic is about messy, dark, smudgy. Once you're finished with that, you have a beautiful Gothic look. This has been Jennifer Bradley. Thank you for watching.